Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to send high quality photos on WhatsApp without compression. So firstly guys, for the privacy purposes I'm not going to show of course my chats, but let me just open up the chat, and once you're there just click on a photo icon so that you can actually choose the photo you want to send, and then I will show you and navigate you also on where to find that toggle to enable the HD audios that you can send without compression. So let's go. Okay guys, so now I'm here, and now just go ahead and scroll up so that you can see the list of all your photos, and then of course you can choose which one you want to, which one you want to send. All right guys, so for example, I will choose a photo of this funny moth that one of my buddies took. And now guys, as you can see on the top right, we have this HD button. That's the one you're looking for. Click on it and make sure that it's telling you, as you can see, this pop-out, a little window with text, that the photo quality is set to HD. So I'm going to show it to you again, item set to HD quality. So this will make sure that the item is not compressed and you're sending pretty much a original copy to your friend or a colleague or whoever you're sending it to. And then when you're done, just tap send, the green icon with a paper plane inside it, and you're good to go guys. Enjoy. If this was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.